Hi, my name is Matin, and you're watching Quay Construction. We are here in North Vancouver today to take you guys through one of our recently completed projects where we fully renovated a master ensuite, a main bathroom, and a powder room. So let's go check them out. Thank you for joining us on this post-construction walkthrough today. If you'd like to keep up to date with our most recently completed projects, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. If you have a project of your own that you'd like to discuss with us as well, you can reach out to us by phone at 778-697-9924 or via email at info@quayconstruction.ca. Thanks again for joining us, and see you on the next one.